Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're coming across this channel for the first time, my name is Amara and I bring you everything DIY on how to grow your hair without breaking the bank. If this sounds like what you like, consider subscribing to the channel. In today's video, I bring you another mind-blowing DIY. I bring you something better than cloves, okay? I bring you something much more potent than clove. For those brothers and sisters out there who has been trying to grow out their hair, this is for you, okay? Are you experiencing dandruff, breakage, itching scalp, stunted growth, premature graying, any kind of hair problem? Then this spray is for you. This spray is going to help you with the overall health of your scalp. This spray is going to grow out your hair. Just use it 2 times in a week. Most importantly, be consistent with this. We are going to be using Ayurveda herbs that are beneficial to your hair growth. Our first herb that we'll be using today is mint leaf. Yeah, mint leaf has a very cooling and cool sensation on your scalp. Mint leaf promotes hair growth, improves scalp health, reduces and fights scalp infections. The next Ayurveda herb is fenugreek. Fenugreek reduces hair fall, prevents premature graying, strengthens the hair. It's excellent for fighting dandruff and itchy scalp. It conditions the hair. Fenugreek contains protein, iron, folic acid, and calcium. It reduces hair fall, promotes hair growth, and also adds shine to hair. Our next herb is bay leaf. Bay leaf contains antifungal and antibacterial properties that help to control and get rid of scalp infections. It also fights dandruff and itchy scalp. Bay leaf contains nutrients that stimulate hair growth. It also strengthens the hair follicles.
Our next Ayurveda herb will be rosemary, the OG. If you've been on this channel, you will know that rosemary is one of my go-to herb for hair growth. Rosemary has been tested and trusted, guys. Rosemary improves blood flow to the scalp, reduces dandruff, enhances hair growth. It also fights dandruff, scalp inflammation. It reduces breakage and it also balances the scalp pH. Rosemary, I can tell you for sure that rosemary has done great wonders to my hair growth. Okay. After pouring all the herbs into the jar, I went in with hot water. I am going to infuse this herb for at least 12 hours. And this is what it looks like before, and then this is what it looks like after, which is the following day. This is what it looks like. If you notice, it has darkened in color, and this is exactly the color you should get if you have properly infused yours. I like to keep it longer so it will darken. The more dark it gets, the more potent the spray is. So now we are going to sieve it. This spray can be used to moisturize your hair anytime you need to refresh your braid. It can also be used as a rinse after your wash. Like I said before, this mixture has been tested and trusted. It will grow out your hair, but make sure you are consistent. Don't use it once and then drop it and stop using it and hope to get results. Make sure you are consistent with this herbal spray to get the result. Let me show you how I use it on my hair. But before then, just take a look at this. I have used this for just few weeks and you can see I have gotten some new growth. You can obviously see that my hair has grown out quite a lot and my scalp is very neat. I have like a very clean scalp, and you know that is the most important part to hair growth. Make sure your scalp is very neat. As you can see, this spray has done nothing but good to me, and I've grown out quite some hair. Honestly, I really like this spray. So if you're using it, please do well to be consistent. Use it at least 3 times a week or 2 times a week. Just make sure you're massaging it into your scalp evenly. Make sure it is getting
directly into your scalp. If you're experiencing shedding or you're having like a bald patch, use this spray judiciously and your hair will grow out with time. But the key is consistency, okay? Use it each time you want to moisturize your hair or as a rinse after your wash days. Do not forget the tip of your hair because that is the oldest part of our hair and we need to protect it. I left a question in my community. I asked a question on the kind of content you would like me to post, and the options were DIY conditioner or DIY shampoo. And some people picked, majority of people though, picked the DIY conditioner. So the video will be up. I don't know when, but I'll make sure I bring it to you, okay? Because I need you to keep coming back to my channel. Before I forget, the lifespan of this spray is 1 week. If you refrigerate it, keep it inside your refrigerator for 1 week before you trash it and make another one. Do not just make it and leave it, or it will grow bacteria and you do not want that. Also remember to go in with your butter after you have sprayed your hair with this mix. Do not just spray it and leave it to dry up because you're not going to be seeing much difference in your hair. When you finish spraying it, go in with your leave-in conditioner, then your butter to seal everything in order to trap it in. And do not forget to give yourself a scalp massage to circulate blood into your scalp. If you have any question, please do not hesitate to drop it in the comment section. And we have come to the end of this video. Please, before you leave, do well to subscribe to get my video whenever I post it. And hope I see you in my next video. Guys, I'm so excited. We are gradually growing. We are over 1K subscribers. Thank you very much. Thank you for finding me worthy to sub to my channel. All right. Bye.